Good day everyone and welcome to Jax Cosplay. My name is Jax and I do cosplay. In today's video, I just want to tell you guys a little bit more about me, my background, and what my plans are for this small little YouTube channel of mine. So, as I already said, my name is Jax. I'm 21 years old and I am from the beautiful country of South Africa. I have been cosplaying and making props for the last 6 years, although I've actually been dressing up pretty much my entire life. Here are some pics of the various costumes and props that I've made over the years. I'm also currently studying video game design and I am overall a massive geek and a fan of many different fandoms. Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, Marvel, DC, just to name a few. Let me know down below what your favorite fandoms are and I'll let you know if I'm also a fan of them, but chances are I probably am. The reason I made this channel was so that I could share with you all the different things I have learned over the past 6 years of making costumes and props, as well as to also show you what fully goes into making one of my cosplays. And also just to share some of my geeky adventures with you that I get up to, whether that be going to cons or events or movie premieres, just to show you what happens in the everyday life of a geek. Now recently I've gotten into the anime series My Hero Academia, and one of the characters that I absolutely love in this series is Kirishima. So naturally, whenever I love a character from something, I have to cosplay them. So what I want to do on this channel is I want to make a series of videos showing you exactly what I'm going to do to make my Kirishima cosplay, so that you guys can make your own Kirishima cosplay. I'm going to be doing the same thing for an original character Jedi costume from the Star Wars universe. I'm also going to be making various videos of building different props from various different fandoms and universes. If you guys want, you can go check out my channel. I've already made a few different videos, including how I made this awesome Viking axe over here, how I made a lightsaber, how I made some Star Wars blasters, and also just some other videos of other geeky stuff that I got up to. If you guys have any specific props that you want to see me build, let me know down below in the comments and I'll see if I can get a chance to build it, to make a tutorial on building those props and costume pieces. You can also check out my various different social medias. I have got Twitter, I have got Facebook, I have got Instagram. And I'm usually pretty active on all three of those platforms. So if you guys are making anything, please tag me in them so that I can see what you guys are up to. If you want to ask for any advice or just say hi, please get in contact with me on one of those platforms. So that's pretty much all that I wanted to do in today's video. If you are excited for some of the upcoming projects that I've got in the works, please hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload those videos. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.